everybody, I'm Alex with Hennessey Performance. We've got a good video for you today. We're in two 2019 ZR1s. One is bone stock, and the one that I'm in is our brand new HPE 850 ZR1 package. The ZR1 is a phenomenal car from the factory. The 8-speed auto is great. The LT5 is great. It sounds great. A lot of horsepower. But obviously, we do it a little bit special here, and we obviously need some more horsepower. So this car in particular made 710 wheel horsepower, which is up about 60 to 70 from most of the automatic baseline bone stock ZR1s. So I'm excited to show you guys the difference on the drag strip today. We're going to be doing some roll racing and dig racing, so take a look. Alright guys, so it went pretty much just as expected. The HPE 850 ZR1 took the victory for the day in both the dig race and the roll race. So it's a good bit faster than the stock one. I'm excited for some more data and some more videos on the ZR1s. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook. If you have any questions, call our sales team and stay tuned to our website. Thanks guys for watching.